Astro Boy music.
Jimmy. TooReal gang was good, man. I got my boy Dre, he behind me. Y'all see the tow truck back there. We still towing, baby. We still making moves, man. So don't let that slip your brain, man. I'm an entrepreneur. I do multiple things. I got multiple hustles. Y'all stay tuned, man. We finna go over here and check out this house, see how they looking. I've been showing y'all every day, you know, step by step. I think this is day 4. So, yeah, man, I showed y'all a little bit the other day. We finna walk in and see how far they made it, just to give y'all a clue on how long it's gonna take. Y'all can kind of like see every couple of days. Like I said, I'm only dropping every 2 days, maybe 3 times a week, because me dropping every day was a little bit too much for me. I work so much, I got a lot going on, but hey, I'm gonna give y'all what I can give y'all and try to give y'all the best content. But yeah, we still got the towing thing. Dre behind me, he heading to 2 jobs, one in St. Augustine and one somewhere in Jacksonville. Other than that, let's get to this money. Stay tuned. Let's go. TooReal gang, I just thought about something. Before we go around there to that house, I did an eviction on a tenant that's right around the corner from the house that I'm working on. And that was like 2 days ago. I'm trying to see if he left yet. I got to get him out because I need to make some money. He ain't paid in about 2 months. Let's go and see, man. Yo. About to come in. Yo. Eviction notice has been served. I'm about to come in. Hey, y'all check this out. I opened the room door. He's supposed to be evicted. I don't know if he left or not. He might not have left because I see a laptop on the bed. Now this a rooming house. Look how nasty he got it. Tore up the bed. All this crap on the floor. Look at this shit. Now, this part of what you got to go through when you running rooming houses. Now I got 4 rooming houses. I just sold 2 of them. I just sold a few of them, to be honest. And like I say, the other house that I'm working on, I'm gonna turn that to a rooming house and do the same concept and basically put them on the market. Now they good to make revenue because it help people with low income. You know what I'm saying? They in the time of need right now. Most people who can't afford to rent a whole house for $1,500 plus pay lights, water, internet. It's gonna be about $2 grand a month. Most people can't afford that. So I create a situation where you can rent these rooms and brand new beds and stuff. People got knives and cut up stuff, man. They don't appreciate nothing. So this dude going through eviction, got plates and food, every goddamn what. Y'all see that? So that's what I'm dealing with. I gotta send my cleaning lady, clean this place up and get a new tenant in here, man. Let's go ahead and go check out the property. Let's go. I almost fell through that floor. Stepped right there. And I almost went through. Dangerous. Sheesh. Gotta be careful. Definitely a lot of work going on around here. I see Xfinity. Old boy working in that room right there. Y'all might can see him. Let me see. Hey, y'all see him back there in that window? Let's go and check out this dumpster, man. See how this dumpster looking. We might have to do 2 more dumps. Let's see. Okay. doing good. It ain't too crowded. It ain't too bad. It's coming around. Hopefully by Monday, we'll start going in with the new material. And I got to get my electrician over here probably by tomorrow, Monday. Let him look at everything and go from there. So he can see where I'm putting the bathroom, where I'm putting the kitchen, where the different bedrooms and living room is at, so he can know what type of plugs and stuff he need to put in there. But yeah, it's a little process. Somebody text me. We're getting the day started. Y'all kind of see where we at. This dude text me. But yeah, man, y'all see where we at. We're gonna keep the day rolling. I gotta go get my baby from my mom's house and take over there with my other daughter, Jai. So, gonna keep this thing rolling, man. Hey, one thing before I forget, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I know I'm a little, I just woke up, so that's why I put the shades on earlier. I ain't had the shades on, man. But when I first wake up and I don't take that first smoke, y'all see that? Yeah, they gave me one of these yesterday, man. I support Truly. Hey, y'all need to give me a sponsorship too. But at the end of the day, thank you for the free hat. But like I was just saying, if I just wake up, I'm kind of like, I'm trying to get in routine. I'm trying to boost my energy, my confidence, my, trying to motivate myself, because I don't got nobody to motivate me other than y'all. Every time y'all watch this, y'all motivate me. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know y'all here. I don't know if anybody here or not. I'm just dropping videos. I see the views. It's not a lot of views, but I appreciate my small community, people who want to learn about different things. For entrepreneurs, so many different things that we might be doing during the day. I only show a little bit. I'm showing you 10 to 20 minutes of my life, and that's all broke up in different little small pieces. You ain't even really catching all the conversations, because I don't really have time to hold my phone up every time I'm having a conversation doing business. So I try to show as much as I can. We're going to keep showing. We're going to show the improvements as they progress along. And I appreciate y'all. I'm young. I've been doing this, if you've been watching, since 2014 by myself. I got my own crew. We could do anything. We could build a house from the ground up. I just got 2 new female contractors that I got my eyes on. I want to do business with. And they young and black, so I'm pushing that. Get my you get back. What? My wife texting me something about checking oil. But anyway, y'all stay tuned, man. Let me get into it. I need to go grab my baby, and I'll swing back by this later on. Let's go.